Okay, so let me confirm my voice is clear to all of you.
Yes, I can hear you. You
Okay,
can continue.
much. So today's webinar is about how you will design CV for intern pharmacist job, how you will design cover letter, and how to find job. Okay, and what are the documents which are required for employer sponsor visa, which type of questions you can expect in the interview. So these are our topics. If possible, you can turn on the camera so that you can interact with me better. And if you have any question, so you can ask. Dawood Akhtar, please turn on the camera. Muhammad Meher Shazeb, Tamim is my student. You can please turn on the camera if you are not on duty. So let me show you. Hello, Tamim. How are you? Hello, Shazeb.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum, doctor. How are you?
Walaikum salam. Okay. So first, let me show you how you will design CV. This is very, very important. It's okay, Dawood, if you are on duty, so it's okay. So can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, your picture is very, very important. Very professional photo on your CV like this. Okay. And then your personal details, but you can please make your CV very attractive. You can use some icons like for WhatsApp number, for your uh, email ID. And if you have any YouTube channel, you have any LinkedIn profile, so you should mention these things. Okay. Like your Facebook, but you can mention your Facebook ID once if you have shared some data which are related to your professional background. Otherwise, you do not share that one. So it will be better that you can share LinkedIn profile. And if you have any YouTube channel, so it will really help you. Okay. And your other details. Okay. Now, professional summary. You can write your professional summary. Okay. Like this. And after that, you can also put your personal data, like your date of birth, place of birth, and these things. Then, after that, qualifying examinations. This is very, very important that you can mention that when you have qualified KAPS exam, okay, and your APRA registration, if you have APRA registration, so definitely you can mention the APRA registration. But if you have no APRA registration, so please you can apply to APRA registration because APRA registration is very, very important. It is the mandatory document for your 407 visa, which is employer sponsor visa. Without APRA registration, no one will be interested in you. Got it? So it is very, very important thing. Your home country registration, you can mention your academic qualification. If you have MPhil, so you can mention. If you have bachelor, so you can mention your bachelor. Better as you can mention your major subjects like your clinical pharmacy, pharmacology, which are important for the patient health, which you have studied in your bachelor program. Okay, if you have any research, so you can mention. Otherwise, there is no need. Okay. Now, if you have completed some courses, this is just a template. Okay, it is not mandatory that you should have these things like MPhil degree and other things like research profile. No need. Okay, if you have a bachelor degree, more than enough. Okay. Now, if you have completed some courses, from Australia, which is very, very important, and it will really help you. If you have no experience, you are a pressure pharmacist, then definitely you can do these type of courses. From Australasian College of Pharmacy, there are some other colleges in Australia, so you can apply for these type of courses like online training course on buprenorphine, medicine administrative course, so it will really help you. Okay, like uncomplicated cystitis treatment, okay, because the guidelines in Australia are different. Okay, so you will learn some basic things when you will enroll in these type of courses. Like in Australia, drug of choice for the uncomplicated cystitis is trimethoprim 300 milligram per 3 days. And the second choice is nitrofurantoin 100 milligram every 6 hours per 5 days. And then cephalizin 500 milligram BD. Okay, so you will learn these things. But in the Australia, nitrofurantoin is used as a first choice, drug of choice. So it will really help you. You can please enroll yourself in these type of courses. Okay. Now, professional summary, your experience is very, very important. Okay. So most of the people only just mention that I was a pharmacist and I have worked in this pharmacy from this date to this date. No, this is not the correct way to present yourself. What you will do, you will explain all your roles, okay, all your roles and responsibilities in that organization, like this: counseling the patient, okay, counseling the patient for right dose and direction of the medication usage, keep the pharmacy equipment in working order and area neat and clean, and these things, okay. So you will explain your roles and responsibilities in very detail. Like this is another organization, okay. So you can explain all your roles and responsibilities like this. Okay, like your awards and scholarships, so you can mention like workshops, your key and behavioral skills, and at the end you can mention your references. Okay, references will really help you. If, they, if you have any friend in Australia with the registered pharmacist, so you should mention. Noman, please, you can mute your mic. Okay. So this was all about how you will design CV. Okay. Now, how you will design cover letter. This is very, very important. So let me show you. How you will design a cover letter. So cover letter is also very, very important. So what you will do, the easiest way that you can write in the Google, ChatGPT. Okay. Suppose I want to design a cover letter for Tamim from India. Okay. Tamim. So what you will do, write a cover letter. Write a cover letter for me as I want to apply for intern pharmacist position in Australia. My name is Tamim. Okay, and I am from India, currently working in Oman. I have 10 years of experience as a community pharmacist. I am willing to work in the regional areas of Australia. I'm also willing to bear all my expenses, all the expenses of my visa process. Okay.
Yep.
I also willing to, I'm willing to work in that organization for 3 to 4 years. Like this. Okay. Okay. So it will be the template for your cover letter. I am writing to express my sincere interest in the intern pharmacist position. Company name, you will mention the company name as advertised, okay? And all the other things like this. My name is Tamim and I currently reside in Oman, where I have honed my skills and expertise in pharmacy practice. Throughout my career, I have consistently demonstrated a dedication to providing, okay? So you can check this. Okay, and you can change this template according to your requirement, and you can just copy paste this will be your template, so you can merge this cover letter with your CV and you can upload. Okay.
Yep.
So this will be the method how you will design your CV and cover letter. Now if you have any question up to now and CV and cover letter, so you can ask it. Any question?
Good
Dr.
morning,
Like
sir.
how
Myself, Yogesh.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. I'm from India, and I have cleared my KAPS exam in March. So I would like to apply for intern pharmacist post. As I'm a recent graduate, like I cleared my B Pharm degree in 2023. So can I put? Should I need to wait for 1 year to put that 1 year as experience in resume, or can I just put I am just working in a pharmacy shop from August 2023 to till date? Is that sufficient, sir?
Yes, definitely. You can put your 1 year experience in your CV, because for the employer sponsor visa, experience matters a lot. Okay. But if someone is a pressure pharmacist, then that pharmacist should do some courses from the different colleges in Australia. So it will really help. But you can put experience, because the pharmacy is not giving you points, visa points. Okay. Experience from 3 to 5 years, it is mandatory when you will
Yes, sir. I know
mention
that
in the
for visa
CV.
points, I cannot,
Yes. For the
I cannot,
491 or
I cannot
190,
claim those points.
yes.
Yes, sir. So only I thought to search for jobs as I have no experience. Like I will
Mm-hmm.
get my 1 year experience only in August 2024. So I thought that okay, let me just try for this app, these things like 407 training visa or some of the training visas.
Yes,
So that's the only option I have.
yes, that experience will really help you in the employer sponsor visa, 407 visa. Okay, but it will not help you in the 491 or 190 visa, because for the 491 or 190, you should have minimum 3 years experience. Then you can be able to claim 5 points. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it clearly. So I will just search for courses that are out there in that pharmacy website.
What really is cover letter? Do I need to put the details of cover letter in the CV, or would it be a separate file? So yeah, it depends on you. If you can merge that cover letter with your CV, so it is better, okay? But if you will paste your cover letter in the body of email, then it is also an option, okay? So it doesn't. Okay. Now, you have designed CV, you have designed cover letter. How you will find job? This is okay. So the best website is seek.com. Okay. So you can write seek.com in the Google. What you will do? Here you can write the keyword, like suppose intern pharmacist. Okay. Any classification. So these are intern pharmacists. So in the classification, what you will do, you can mention healthcare and medical. Now, in the regions, what you will do? So you will target the regional areas of Australia. Okay, like Tari, like Blue Sister, like Brian Bay. Okay, the regional areas in the New South Wales, in the Queensland. Okay, so it will really help you. Okay, so New South Wales. Okay, so New South Wales. Now you can search it. So there are a lot of jobs available on this website. So you can apply. Okay. Now how you will apply? So these are the jobs available, like pharmacy graduate or intern pharmacist. Suppose this is a job. So you will click on this. Okay. You can click on the quick apply button. Okay. And you will create an account over here. You will upload your CV. Okay. Just like my CV is already uploaded. You can upload your cover letter over here. This is also an option. Okay. So you will upload your cover letter. Then you can click on the continue button. Okay. And this is the way how you will apply to different types of jobs. So jobs are available. Okay. There are two pathways after qualifying KAPS exam. One pathway is that you can submit EOI for 491 or 190 visa. The second pathway is that you can apply for the APRA registration. Okay. And you can start submitting your CV to different pharmacies in Australia. So employer sponsor visa, it is one option, one pathway, and the second pathway is 491 or 190 visa. So please apply. It will really help you. So because my 3 students got interview call from different pharmacies in this week, my 3 students. Okay. So please try your best and you can please apply. So this is the way how you will apply. There is another website, indeed.com, Workforce Australia. Okay. When we will apply, okay. When we apply and seek, they ask for visa. No need of any visa. Okay, no need. There is no need of any visa. They will sponsor you and the lawyer of that pharmacy will apply for your visa, 407 visa. Okay. So this is the way how to apply for different types of jobs. Now, which type of interview questions you can expect? Okay, when you will find a job. This is very, very important. It's like many of my students are present over here. So they will ask, what is your age? Introduce yourself. So you will introduce yourself shortly, okay? Starting from your graduation, that I am graduated from this university and I have worked in this organization from this state to this state. These were my roles and responsibilities in that organization, but you will explain your current organization more. You will focus more on your current organization in which you are working. Okay, so you will explain all your roles and responsibilities. You can give some examples that in this organization, I'm counseling the patient. You can give some examples of the counseling points, like suppose if someone will use tetracycline. So what will be the counseling points? To use sunblock. If someone will use amiodarone, so what will be the counseling points? So it causes blue man syndrome. Okay, so the counseling point will be to use sunblock. So just like this, you can also explain that my duties are to dispense the medication, to check the expiry, to maintain the inventory of the pharmacy, okay, and to maintain the record of narcotics. Okay, so these are some of the roles and responsibilities you can mention. Interview is very, very easy. Okay, once you will get an email from any pharmacy in Australia, so definitely they are interested in you. Okay. The only thing they want to observe is your communication skills. Do you have any communication skills? You are weak or not? So eye contact is very, very important. Okay. They just want to check your communication skills. So if you have qualified KAPS exam, it means you are talented. Okay, and you have the capability to work in Australia. Okay, so this is the way. Now, which documents are required for 407 visa or 482 visa, or what is the cost? So there are some organizations which will provide you pre-visa, pre-ticket. Okay, there is no cost, but there are some organizations which will cost, like the visa process will cost like 3,000 to 4,000 Australian dollars, including the lawyer fee and the visa fee and the health insurance charges and all everything. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Now, if you have any conclusion, you have any questions, so you can please ask. And if possible, please turn on the camera. Please interact with me. Your eye contact is very, very important. Okay. Dawood, Akhtar, Tabib, Wasim Khan is also my student. Yogesh, please turn on the camera. I just want to see you. Muhammad Noman, Catherine is also my student. Muhammad Osman, Shazeb. Okay. Do you have any question?
Sir, I would ask you some tips and tricks, like how can we find those jobs? As you said, like you just search in Indeed or you just search in Seek. So what's the possibility that since I don't have, say, have only some 8 to 9 months of experience, whenever I apply for a job, the first question, even though if I apply my resume, like the question they ask is, do you have a valid work visa to work in Australia? That's the
Okay.
thing. Then
Okay.
second thing is,
There is a solution for
yes,
that. There is a solution for that.
yes, sir.
If they will ask that, do you have any visa? So you can also send a CV to different on different email IDs, which are mentioned on the Australian Pharmacy's website. Like there are some recruitment agencies, encounter recruitment agencies, and there are some other agencies. So you can, like you can send your CV to Chemist Warehouse, which is very big organization having almost 500 plus branches in Australia. So you can target that organization, visit the websites of that pharmacy. Okay, so there are many ways to apply for a job. You can also apply.
Yes, sir. So should I need to search for each and every state, like or chemist warehouse in separate, like they have a separate website. I need to go to each and every state website. So I just need to upload my CV and resume. Should I need to put in that resume that I need a valid visa sponsorship, or can I add that, or no need of that?
Yes, definitely you will need a visa because you are offshore. Okay. And
Yes, sir. Should I need to mention that separately, or should I need to highlight that in my resume or cover letter that I need a visa sponsorship?
look, Yogesh, in the cover letter, when
Yes,
I
sir.
was designing a cover letter, I have mentioned a sentence that I will bear all the charges, all the expenses of my visa process. So it means that I need visa.
Okay, sir. I got it clearly.
Okay.
Now understood.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So I need to search on not only chemist warehouse. I am just going to search what are the all other pharmacies out there. I will just search each and everything in their own website. I'm going to apply for that. That's it. The role
Yes.
is intern pharmacist, right, sir?
Yes, yes. You can search and you can list out all the regional areas of Australia. Okay, like Taree, Gloucester, Queensland, some regional areas. Okay, you can target those areas. You can also apply on the
Yes, sir.
Australasian College
I
of
have
Pharmacy. You can also upload some vacancies of intern pharmacists. And on the LinkedIn, you can connect with some people which are employers. And there is another way you can also search on the Pharmacy Guild of Australia. They can also upload vacancies on that website. So there are many ways because, and okay, Sapa Hajira, my student. Okay, so there are many ways, okay, to find a job. And pressure pharmacists are called, have been called for interview this week. Okay, so if you have no experience, it's okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. I got it clearly. So I will just look into that, sir. Thanks for your advice.
Welcome. Any question, Tamim? Any confusion?
Yeah, doctor, like visa sponsorship nowadays, how is the market, like current market scenario about the visa sponsorship? Are they really focusing the onshore, offshore people? Like getting
I will
sponsorship?
give
How
you
it
one example, Tamim. My three students got email for interview this week
is
on
it?
the same day. This is the market.
Which batch? Now November or December batch? November batch.
I will not mention the details, but my three students. Okay.
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
I
They
can
done
give you
the APRA. They
guarantee.
done the APRA.
I can give you guarantee, Tamim. If you will apply, you will follow my procedure. You will design cover letter like that. You will design CV like that. You should have APRA registration. Then within 2 weeks, you will get job.
Okay, because I have not done my APRA, so I have to do must APRA, right?
APRA is not mandatory at this stage because you have experience. You are a very experienced pharmacist. You have 10 years plus experience.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So you should mention that experience and you can start applying because 2025 intern training program is now open. Do not miss this opportunity.
Okay.
And focus more chemist warehouse. Chemist warehouse is the most open organization.
So chemist warehouse, how to do the direct website? Direct website I have to apply, I think. Direct website.
Chemist warehouse, they also advertise those vacancies on the seek.com and indeed.com, but you can also visit the websites. You can search the email address and you can send your CV.
Okay, okay,
So
okay. I'll do.
on daily basis, you can send at least to 20 different pharmacies, at least.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you will find job.
Okay, because I've not done any course like Austrian College of
No need of
Pharmacy like
course.
that.
You have experience. No need.
Yeah, yeah.
Courses will help the pressure pharmacy. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Mark my words. If you will start applying from today and you will follow my procedure, then after 2 weeks, you will send me message that I got email. Okay.
Sure, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Any other question? A chemist warehouse asks for APRA registration, no need. APRA registration is only required for the visa, okay? I have some of my friends who have applied for the intern pharmacist position, and at that time, only KAPS certificate. Okay, no PTE, no APRA. But still, that pharmacist got email from chemist warehouse and later appear for the PTE and apply for the APRA registration. So APRA registration is only required for the 407 visa. Your lawyer will need this document. But if you have APRA registration, so definitely they will really help.
Doctor, like if chemist warehouse selected a candidate before APRA or PTE, he got selected for the job. So after that, how long will it take him to go to Australia? Like what's the processing time after that? You have to write.
Very good question. Okay, so it doesn't mean, okay, if someone will qualify the KAPS exam, so he or she will fly to Australia within 2 months. No, it is not like that. It's very lengthy process. So 407 visa, if you will check the immigration website, so on the website, it is mentioned that the processing time of 407 visa is from 41 days to 3 months. But pharmacists are waiting from last 5 months, 6 months for this 407 visa. Now you can imagine for 491 or 190. So it is very lengthy, okay? The processing time is more. But if you will follow this route, the employer sponsor route, so within 5 to 6 months.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even the company, they will well know about the visa timing. Even they know, even if he got selected, they know the timing. How after how many months he will land in Australia, like that. The company people, they know the timing also, right?
No, they will sponsor you. They will sign documents with you, but the only authority is with Department of Home Affairs.
Department of Home, yeah.
Yes. No lawyer will give you guarantee that you will get visa on this date. Okay. Any other question?
Hello,
We have
sir.
5 minutes left in this meeting. So if you have any questions, so you can please ask.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, while applying on a SEEK, when you go to the chemist warehouse website,
Please turn on the camera.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I'm not able to open the camera, sir. Right now I'm busy, sir.
Okay.
So sorry, sir, about this. So, sir, while applying on a SEEK website and opening the chemist warehouse website, then there are the requirements. There is a written that essential requirement for the AFRA registration. So,
okay, without APRA registration, you can apply for the job. It is not mandatory.
Okay.
But as I already mentioned, that it will really help you if you have APRA registration. Employer will be interested in you because all the documents which are required for the employer sponsor visa are ready and you have all the documents. So definitely the employer will be interested in you. But if you have no APRA registration, then still you can apply. Okay? Then still you can apply and you will get email. Okay? So it is not mandatory. It is mandatory for the employer sponsor visa.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Any other question?
Excuse me, sir. I would like to ask one last question.
Mm-hmm.
So, as you said, I have just applied for 491 EOI. That's the I
Yes,
have just
yes.
applied 2 days before.
Mm-hmm.
So I have applied some 4 states, which doesn't require any experience. So my primary target is, however, since I don't have points for 190, my target is to get 491 visa. And since the experience is not needed, those states I will primarily target. Then in the meantime, I will just also search, like as you said, I will put all my resumes in that seek and what are the jobs that are upcoming. I will just put for that. Then luckily, if I found a sponsorship, if I will be able, like if I first I go through 407 visa, then after that, if at that time this 491 visa, if I get, what will be the scenario? Can I switch from 407 to 491? Is that possible? Like, is my question clear?
Okay, so if you will get 407 visa, so the lawyer update pharmacy will convert your 407 visa to 494. This is the pathway. Okay, but
But this
your
494
EOI
visa,
will be
I
still
guess,
active for 2 years. Please listen.
experience.
Your EOI will be still active for 2 years. Okay, so if you will get invitation, so definitely you can apply.
Okay, sir. So I got it. I have my overall PTE score is 74, so I'll be getting 10 points on that. So for 491, I am having some 75 points now. So I'm planning to take my PTE since I not have experience. So I'm just planning to take PTE. I'm aiming for 90. So I get some 10 points and additional for 491.
Good idea.
So is the possibilities of or somewhat more if I get some 10 points on that. So my idea is this: the trying for 407 is good, sir, or should I need to wait for another 6 to 7 months to get this 491 ready? Can I?
No, do not wait for 491.
Yes, sir.
Search
Got
for
it.
407.
So
407 is very better option.
yes, sir. So your suggestion is for me to apply for like just try to find that sponsorship. Then
Yes,
you please go through 407. Then that's all.
yes,
The
yes.
process would be followed. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Thank you.
Employer sponsor visa. There is another visa also 482, 407 and 482. Okay, so these are some of the visa options. Any other
Those two,
question?
I think, 2 years of experience on mandatory, it seems, for 482, and 494 is some 3 years of experience on mandatory, it seems. So only I target this 407. That's the only option I have.
This is not your headache, Yogesh. You can find employer and you can apply for 407. Even you will not apply for your 407 visa. Your lawyer will apply for 407 visa, and your lawyer have knowledge how to convert this visa to 494 or other visa. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
No, I don't have any lawyer for this process. I'm just
No, the
doing, I have
pharmacy
lodged
will
my
give
UI
you liar.
myself.
The pharmacy will give you liar.
Okay, sir. I got
Yes.
it clearly now. I thought
Okay.
that is this process can be done by myself, sir, or like I have just lodged my UI. So after this UI, some after that visa grant, like what's the process? Can you please explain on that?